experience that we're having, tradition. And that's what Yeshua and Magdalene taught over 2,000 years ago.
When you light your candles, when you light your incense, call it in. When you call in your soul, you call in source.
Gods and goddesses are aspects of ourselves. They're archetypes that are within us. From ancient Egypt really represented the ancient goddess religion.
With a myriad of angels if you choose. Who are you?
I am source.
Magdal. That is what I see in you. That is what I need. I need strong women. We are in community. But we function as one. What is the difference between a drop
The oneness.
that goes into the ocean